is represented by Ohm's law. V is equals to I times R. So last time we have discussed about the Ohm's law. So this is the Ohm symbol. The SI unit of electrical resistance named after George Simon Ohm. So an ohm is equivalent to a volt per ampere. So we have two types of our resistor. You have the fixed resistor and the variable resistor. Na magka-fix, of course, fixed and variable, di mo nabalaan ang iya exact value or exact number. That's why it's variable. So, ano mga examples of fixed resistors naton? We have the carbon composite resistor, the film resistor, wire wound resistor, the resistance wire, and then next for our variable resistor, you have the rheostat, the potentiometer, the thermistor, unistor, varistor, and photoresistor. So, ano lang brief lang ang mga intros about this one. Pagpakilala, of course, hindi man ta electrician, mga electrical engineering, hindi na lang naman super deeper. So, carbon composite resistor. So, low inductance, deal for high frequency application, very cheap to make, and have a very large tolerances. Then we have the film resistor. Muna siyang tsura nila ho. Example, the resistive value of the resistors is controlled by increasing the desired thickness of the deposited film. So, syempre, ang pag-resist yan, nakadepende man sa thickness ang na-deposit ang film. The more nga mo na-deposit na film, syempre, the more magurong iyang resistance. So, resistance up to 10 mega ohms can be obtained, have a tolerance 1% or less. So, wire wound resistor, ang itsura sa aton wire wound nga resistor, made by winding a thin metal alloy wire onto an insulating ceramic former in the form of a spiral helix. So, mayroon ito spiral helix. Available in a very low ohmic and high precision values from 0.01 to 100 kiloohms. Rheostat. Rheostat is an adjustable resistor used in application that require adjustment of current or varying of resistance in an electric circuit. Special type of rheostat is the potentiometer. So, potentiometer natin. Usually, makita na natin for us sa laboratory. This is usually used potentiometer. Potentiometer is a part in electronics technology. Is a 3-terminal resistor with a sliding contact that forms an adjustable voltage divider. Potentiometers are commonly used to control electrical devices such as volume controls, joystick, and etc. So, kung makita bala natin, ang sa ano na ang sa radio, ang ginaano na bilang ginaliso-liso na nagatiyo. So, that's one example of our potentiometer sa mga volume natin kung gusto natin todo, gusto natin hindi. Next, we have the thermistor. Thermistor is a type of resistor whose resistance varies significantly with temperature. So, nagdepende siya sa aton temperature. That's why thermistor from thermal or temperature. So, thermistors can be used as current limiting devices for circuit protection, as replacement for fuses. So, kung may mga fuse kung sa inyo wala. Umistor. Umistor naman, resistant varies significantly with humidity. So, a humidity sensor measures the humidity level by measuring the change in the resistance of an element. Then, varistor, voltage dependent ng mga resistor function is to conduct significantly increased current when voltage is excessive. Photoresistor or light-dependent resistors exhibits photoconductivity. Photoresistors in many consumer items such as street lights, clock radios, alarm devices, and etc. So, it doesn't mean gali na kung tanan natin nga appliances, di ba naga-flow ang current sa aton nga electricity. It doesn't mean nga naga-resist na sa ila, kaya hindi man puro pwede nga permanent, di ba, may ka-flow ng electricity or there is so much nga power going through the current sa ating electricity. It it should be regulated also because too much of that, of course, mag-lead na siya sa mga faulty na electrical wiring naton that will lead sa mga sunog eventually. So, for different pili naton ng mga appliances or different ng mga things nga aton nga ginausar nga may aras ang electricity, there are different also nga mga resistors nga naga-match up dira because ang ini mga resistors is nag-ano siya no, naghimo siya ng para lang gid sa amo na siya bala nga use. For example, like the photoresistor naton sa mga street lights, sa mga clock, sa mga radio and alarm devices. So, because light dependent. So, yeah. Of course, iba natin yung mga resistors dito, lain naman ang sa. So, we have the resistor value to solve our resistor value. So, these are the different parts aton nga nga resistors. We have the X band, Y, Z, and then the tolerance. So ang color code ni ara 0 for black, 1 for brown, 2 for red, 3 for orange. So ang value yan na 4 for yellow, and so on. So magkuha kayo sa resistor value, we have the X and Y nga band no, i-multiply sa Z, then plus minus the tolerance. So we have the example, find the resistance of the given resistor. You have the first digit, ang band niya is red. So ang value is 2. And then second digit is red also 2. So we have 22. And then multiply sa Z. Ang Z naton, anong color niya is black. Black. So black din ano, pero ang iyang value is 1. So multiply na siya naton by 1. So it should be brown. So 22. And then, ang iya tolerance is gold, no? So, plus minus 5. Iyatag po nga table sa inyo later para makita niyo. So, ang iya nga resistor value is 22 ohms, no? 22 times 1. With tolerance rating of plus minus 5%. So, tolerance ya, very na, nagka-correlate. And then, this is for the value of our